Does trimming digitally printed images take up a large portion of your shop's day? Is cutting rectangular or square prints one of the most time-consuming tasks in your workshop? If so, the machine we're about to show you is the perfect solution to cut bottlenecks in your production. In this video, we'll talk with Chase Pender from Supply 55 about their line of XY trimmers from Kala Systems and what applications they are most suited for. I'm here with Chase Pender from Supply 55. Supply 55 is a leading manufacturer and distributor of several workflow products for the signage and apparel markets. Included in their product line are high-speed automatic XY cutters. Chase will walk us through the 3 different Galaxy trimmer models, their features, and accessories to help you decide which model best suits your application. Chase, take it away.
Kala manufactures 3 models of XY cutters, the Galaxy 2, Galaxy Plus, and the Galaxy Pro series. Engineered and manufactured in Europe, Galaxy trimmers are designed to significantly reduce labor and increase profits by eliminating the time-consuming task of manually cutting printed images or sheets. All models can process a broad range of films up to 65 inches in width. Let's look at a few materials we can cut with the Galaxy cutters. Kala designed 3 different models depending on the degree of accuracy, tolerance, and automation required in your operation. Let's start at the top with the Galaxy Pro. This is a top-of-the-line model in our product line, and it's an excellent complement to high-volume printers that have jobs that require precision accuracy. The machine features automatic telescope roll correction by following either a printed line or the edge of the material. When the sensor detects any variance, it'll adjust the entire roll of the material to ensure the print is always cut in the correct position, even with misalignment in the printed roll. This doesn't just improve the accuracy of the machine, it allows the operator to focus on other tasks while the trimmer operates, because they don't have to worry about misalignments. The Galaxy Plus is the middle tier model in our product line. This machine does not feature automatic telescope roll correction. That being said, it is still built for optimum precision. To compensate for telescoped rolls of material or any misalignment in the print, the Galaxy Plus features on-the-fly Y-blade adjustment. The operator can move the entire set of Y-blades left and right while cutting the film. If the operator noticed any variance in the Y-blade due to a telescope in the roll or print misalignment, they can adjust the blades to correct the problem without stopping the machine. The Pro model also has this feature. Lastly, we have our entry-level machine, the Galaxy 2. It's a perfect solution for any shop for cutting unprinted material to size and for print jobs that do not require as much precision. The difference between this machine and the other 2 machines is it doesn't have the 2 features we just spoke about, the automatic telescope roll correction or on-the-fly Y-blade adjustment. This means if the operator notices any variance in the print or telescope in the roll, they will have to stop the machine and adjust each Y-blade individually. Before we get into our different accessories for our cutters, let's take a look at a few standard features across all of our models. You will notice when the machine detects a single or double printed line, it'll trigger the X blade to trim out the line. When 3 lines are printed and pass the X mark sensor, it'll bring the machine to a complete stop. Now the operator can quickly adjust the Y blades to the next print job. The operator can use the tape measure system or the red jigs on the Y blades for quick and easy setup of the blades. All these features allow for seamless transitions between print jobs while using the same roll of material.
Wow, Chase, that was great. Those are all great features. I can see why 3-mark stop is essential for shops that don't have single print jobs. that take an entire roll of material. Chase, why don't you go through some of the accessories of the Kala X bite cutters now?
Yeah, of course. Let's first look at our dual rewinder system. This was designed for rewinding wallpaper onto a paper core, or really any other type of material that needs to be taken up. It's an excellent solution for shops looking to do butt joint wallpaper applications or large pieces of material. Kala also manufactures a reception table great for shops processing small and large format prints. The height and angle of the table can easily be adjusted. It is also foldable, allowing for smaller footprint and easy storage when not in use. And then lastly, we have a short clip here of a jumbo unwinder for heavy rolls featuring a Calyxy Pro XY trimmer and a custom air blast table system.
And Chase, can you add any of these accessories to a machine at a future date?
Yeah, of course. Each machine is designed so a rewinder, table, or even a jumbo unwinder can be installed at a future date.
Great. So to recap, we have the Calyxy 2 for someone who is entry level, the Calyxy Plus for someone who is a little more advanced, and the Calyxy Pro for your high production shops. If a print shop were to purchase a Calyxy trimmer from us, how easy is it to implement into their workflow? And is there much maintenance required?
Oh, it's extremely easy. All Calyxy models are supported by Onyx, SAI, and Caldera, and even other RIP softwares. We also offer on-site installation and training or virtual installation and training, depending on your shop's requirements. The machine requires very minimal maintenance, which can all be done by the operator. Occasionally, they'll have to oil a few parts of the machine and replace the blades. That being said, the blades we use are extremely high quality and have a self-sharpening feature, so they'll last hundreds of thousands of cuts, keeping maintenance costs to a minimum.
Wow, that's great. Well, we'd like to thank Chase for coming out here and telling us all about how great the Calyxy line of cutters is. And don't forget, if you have more questions, please reach out and ask for an IT Supplies commercial sales rep, and we'd be happy to get you connected with some content, videos, or even set up your own private demo. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so that you can be first to know about future videos. And if you have any comments, please leave them below. Thanks again, and have a great day.